I don't know how many of you viewers out there go through this problem, but somehow the back part of my front two seats get dirty really quickly. That kickback area down there is always the problem. I always find dirt there. There's some scratches, and I do know that I have family members sitting on the back seat all the time, so they're probably accidentally putting their feet there or just touching it while they are getting out in and out of the car. You know, Model 3s are not very spacious, so I can imagine where that problem is coming from. And a lot of you actually have emailed me in the past to find a solution for this problem because you have kids sitting on the car seats and they're constantly kicking on those two front seats on the back, so that is also causing the problem. So today I found a solution. Pimp My EB actually sent us this seat back protectors for review, and in the past, you know, I have seen some seat back protectors that are kind of loose and they don't really fit very well. So I got really excited because this ones actually fit really well, super easy installation, and I think they look very OEM. So let me show you how to install it. Let me show you what it looks like. The installation is really straightforward. You have these flaps on the top that go behind the plastic panel of your seats. There are these elastic straps in the bottom, which will use some hooks that came with the kit to secure under the seat. Start by inserting the top portion into the gap between the plastic panel and your seat. Take your time and make your way around the seat. This requires some patience, but nothing difficult here. The cover fits really well all around the seat as it was designed to specifically fit for Tesla. Make sure to go all the way around and inward in the areas behind the central console and your seat. For the bottom portion, widen the joint on these clips using your finger and insert them into the elastic straps. Make sure the clips face towards the bottom and the elastic straps are not tangled. Do this for all three straps on each side. For this part, I would recommend pushing the seat all the way up so you have plenty of room for the installation. You'll reach under the seat and hook those brackets onto these existing metal brackets. These brackets are used to stretch your Tesla seats. Make sure all three of those hooks are fully secured to prevent the bottom part of this cover from falling out. This is what the difference looks like with and without this accessory. I think it looks really great. Follow the exact same steps on the other side. Make sure to tuck the cover all the way around. Again, don't forget the area between the central console and the seat. This is the final installation with both covers installed. Overall, I think this is a great product. It definitely solves some of the problem that I was having with that dirty back of the front seat. This looks very OEM. It fits with the car. I know that if you look very closely, there are some edges that are not perfectly aligned, but that is kind of expected from a product like this. But if you just look at it from far away and going into the car, you wouldn't be able to really tell that that did not come with the car. So I really like that, and the installation was super easy. I also really like the coverage this provides, right? Like, especially on the two sides of the seat, if you look at it, it goes very deep in there and provide all of that coverage. It covers that entire back area. So for coverage wise, this is not just a small product that you patch on the top. This actually provides a really decent coverage from all around. Cleaning up was definitely easy. All you need is a microfiber towel and some water, and all the dust just wipes up. I also really like how they provide option for different colors and types, so that if you really want to customize your car, you can just pick any colors you want. My wife was really bummed that I didn't pick pink color because I went with the carbon fiber finish. I also like that they kept the pocket, the back pocket right there, because with that pocket, I do use that storage space quite a lot, and the back passengers definitely use that to store certain things. So I like that they didn't get rid of that pocket. That also makes it more like it came with the car. Just one minor feedback that I have for the company is to probably figure out a way to put a 3M adhesive or something in that very middle part. It's kind of loose, so when you touch it, it kind of wiggles. So having that tight, and I know that there is that empty space right there, so perhaps figure out a way to further integrate that so that that empty space is further aligned. That would really make it look like a factory OEM product. We'll see how it holds up, and if this product does not meet my standard over time, I'll definitely make a follow-up video, but for now, this product stays in my car. What are your thoughts on this product? Do you have that problem? And if so, do you think this product is going to be a solution for you? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your continued support to the channel. I'll be back again with another Tesla video. Namaste.